You likely have never actually had a real pumpkin spice latte, so I'm going to show you how to make one. Grab yourself a pumpkin, cut it open. Be real careful with the peduncle because it might pop off like that. I'm going to brush the inside with a little bit of avocado oil and place the pumpkins flesh side down before popping them into the oven. Save the pumpkin seeds. I'll show you what to do with them in another video. So now let's talk presentation. Get yourself a pumpkin themed mug, clean it, and make sure it works properly. Once your pumpkin's done, you scoop out all the flesh, some dates and coconut milk, and blend it until it's really smooth. Now I'm going to add in my pumpkin, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, allspice, cardamom, and I ran out of ginger powder, so I made some fresh ginger tea last night. I'm just going to use some of that. Give it a blend. You want it extra thick. Add about 2 tablespoons of your pumpkin puree to it. I brewed some black tea and I'm going to add that because I'm not really a big fan of hot bean water. I was about to stir this and then I remembered I have a frother. Cheers to our artisanal pumpkin spice latte. It's that time of year, and if you're going to be basic, you might as well at least do it right. I also have a recipe book on my profile that has other drinks free of refined sugar and dairy, so go check that out if that's your thing. If not, then just enjoy this video.